You two play. Your sister's the good one. No, I don't want you up here. You guys just had your dinner, and now Mommy wants to sit on the computer for a minute. I'm going to scoot my chair out. What y'all doing under there? What are you doing, Rose? Ow, ow, ow. Oh, your sharp little nails. What are you doing, Rosie? There you go. Go play.